Hi, thanks for joining me today. We are at my sister and brother-in-law's house. Behind me is the playhouse that my niece and nephew have. And I am going to help them kind of freshen it up. So we're going to give it a coat of new paint on the outside, and then we're going to do some fun stuff on the inside. So I'll show you guys some of that video, and then we'll take a tour of the inside before and after as well. So this is the before of the front. Right now it's a tan and white color combination. I am changing it to a blue, red, and white exterior. So, and then we have some other fun things that we'll be putting into the space. Sorry if the sound is really bad. I don't have a microphone, and I don't know if the wind is having any effect, but we'll get started here. And if you see King here in the camera, this is my sister's dog. So he likes to hang around while I'm working on stuff. So you might see him in a couple of the shots. So we will get started, and I will show you some footage of the process, and then we'll get some shots of the after. All right, so I have the blue done all the way around, sides and the back and the front, and then I'm going to be painting the doors red. I'm going to keep the white trim, but I'm going to give that a fresh coat, and then on these corners I left them because I'm going to do that white so then I can carry kind of that white trim effect down each side. So I'm going to get going on the red, and then we'll end with the white so I can clean up any white edges that I might get with the colors. And then outside should be done. I'm going to add a white window box to the window, and there's some flowers in there, so I'll show you that process. And then hopefully we can start on the inside. I don't know if I'll get that done today, but possibly tomorrow for sure. We got to paint the inside and do some decorating. Alright, as you can see, I have finished the doors, redid the trim, painted all the blue, and what I'm going to do next is attach the window box with some flowers in it, and then the outside should be done. Alright, here's the inside. So we're going to paint this, and then I've got some decor items that we're going to do as well. Alright, so I have the ceiling painted. We did a light yellow, and then the walls painted. We did a kind of light sage. This is Madison, my niece. So this is her playhouse. So we're going to clean up the floor, and then she's going to help me bring some stuff in to decorate.